What's going on, everybody? It's Original Dobo, and okay, so now time for a serious video, like a really serious video. I know my last one was sort of a gaggy video, but I don't know why I'm up this late. It's 3 in the morning here in the US, but I have a pretty awesome picture slash leak for you. I typically don't like to cover a lot of leaks, but when something trickles down our way, I'd like to bring it to you just as soon as we can, and obviously in video format. So on Twitter, Osita LV, or however you want to say his name, Hasta la Vista, Osita Lista, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, Osita has tweeted out photographic evidence this time of what resembles a camera gimbal on a Phantom, and it's definitely a Phantom from the way the legs look, that has what looks to be interchangeable lenses, almost like a mini Micro Four Thirds camera would have an interchangeable lens. So here's some photos here of that lens system, and I gotta say, these photos actually look pretty darn credible. Now, whether or not they're actually official leaks, you know, or if this is going to be a finalized design, it's really hard to tell. A lot of the prime markings are marked off, but what we can look, and if we zoom in and look closely, we'll see that this drone or device is actually in the back of a truck. So it's very possible they are in the field testing this. If you look, you can see what looks to be a hatch of a vehicle in the background. He also tweeted out a drawing that it looks like he mocked up, basically, of the Phantom 5 camera concept, which seems to be on par. Now, it could also be that this may be the camera system we may see on the Phantom 4 V2, because the body looks pretty similar. It's going to be hard to say. There's not a lot of information beyond the photo, but if this holds true, interchangeable lenses on a drone the Phantom size would be absolutely amazing. I, for one, would totally welcome that. And that is a game changer when we talk about developments for drone related hardware. So yeah, interesting development. We'll have to pay attention to his tweets, but I just want to go ahead and bring that to you firsthand, let you take a look at these photos. Is a interchangeable lens something you would even be interested on a drone? I've never actually thought of it. Like, I've used ND filters, so I guess an interchangeable lens would totally make sense. But let me know what you think in the comment section below. I don't know, I still for one would prefer like a modular camera over a lens, but hey, we're going in the right direction, so I'll definitely take it. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure you throw it a thumbs up if you're feeling awesome. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video.